Welcome to this video. This video will show you Shapes Plus creating a Anti-Backlash block DXF file for importing into a CAM program like Estlcam or Cut2D or CamBam. So this is what it looks like. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to establish the part size. We're going to use that with the part size wizard. We're going to cut this slot using oblong shape in Shapes Plus wizard, hex, and the hole for the bolt. There's nuts that get pressed into this hole. We're just going to be doing the top view, so that's all you see will be the slot and the holes and the shape of the outside. Okay, this is the print. This is the print that I will be following. As you can see here, it has all the dimensions we need to figure out what to input into Shapes Plus program. So first of all, we're going to be doing the part size, so we need the dimensions for that. So it looks like X is 34 millimeters and Y is 33 and the thickness is 12. This is for CAM, it's not for this drawing. So when we do CAM, you need a CAM, you need to know that. Okay, so to continue, we'll just start doing it, I guess. So what we do was click on Shapes Plus, click on Part Size, click on Metric since the drawing is in metric. That's what you have to do in Shapes Plus. If you're going to draw in metric, you have to click this button. Check this box. Okay, so if what I wrote down was 34 on X and 33 on Y. And the radius was, I'll have to check that. The radius was 3.04 millimeters. Okay. So we add that 3.04 millimeters. We're not going to do with holes, without holes, because we're just doing the outline. Close it. Next step would be the oblong shape. So we're going to be doing a horizontal oblong shape. Click metric. If I looked at the print, I believe that was on the calculator. I calculated this beforehand, so I wrote it down. I think it was 31. 5 millimeters on the width. The difference is 26 here. If you read this, that's what you have to do. You just take the difference and add it here. That's the offset length. Okay, now the center was 13 millimeters and 22 and a half, 0.5. I believe that's it, so click horizontal. Next step is the hole for the bolt. So I believe that was 5 millimeters. And it was 7 on the X and 10 on the Y. Okay, enter. Next hole is the holes were 20 millimeters spacing, so that would be 7 plus 20, which is 27. Enter. Now we're going to do the hex. Click on hex. Click on metric. Click on 7. Click on 10. Y, put 10. and the hex size was 8 millimeters. So now we got the same centers as the holes. Enter. Now we change this to 27 because it's 20 millimeters. Enter, and I think we're done. Close. Now down here you create the DXF. The DXF is created. Now I can show you this in Estlcam, so I'll click on Estlcam and shrink it down to fit. I guess that's as much as I'm going to shrink it down. Well, let's see what we got. Our pot was pot DXF, so it was on my desktop. Open it. Click on pot DXF. It was in millimeters. If it was drawn in inch, you'd check that, but it's in millimeters, so there it is. Now, they have a tool list, and it looks like we got 3 millimeters and 6.3 millimeters end mills in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use one end mill, 3 millimeter, and I'm going to do the I'm going to get rid of this because it's all going to be in that. I'm going to be doing the slot first, or I could do the holes first and put screws in it to hold it so we could do the outside, or I can do holding tabs, and there will be a piece of wood underneath this so we can cut into the wood. So what I'll do here is I have to make a hole, so that we go to hole, and you click on that and pocket, and the depth is going to be the total depth. If I remember right, the pot thickness was 12 millimeters. I'm going to go 12.5. Okay, that's done. Now go to the holes. I'm going to have to raise this up a little bit because I have to click on that right there. Let's raise it up a little more. Okay, so now I select helical. This is 5 millimeters. I only have a 1/8 end mill. So what it says here, you click on that and you click on 3 points. That's done. And the depth, 12.5. Okay, the next one, same thing, 12.5. Okay, now we have the slot, which is pocketed. We're helical drilling. Now we have to pocket the hex. So we do hole again, select either one, and click pocket. And the depth is going to be say half of the stock, say 6.5, 6.5. Okay. And then the next one, oh, I think I goofed up. All right. Let's see if I can get this again. Pocket. It is 3 holes. I think I goofed up, but we'll see. I'm just new at this program here, so you'll have to excuse me. Okay, so that is done, I hope. It looks like it's done. We'll find out. Now we'll do the pot outline. We're going to do the hold downs. I'll show you how to do the hold downs. Alright, so the depth is going to be 12.5. We're going to do holding tabs. Click on holding tabs and select the spot past this. So say right here, one there and one there, okay? And then the depth, it's full here, so we want to change that to say 3 millimeters and length 3 millimeters. And I guess we're done. So select, I'm going to show you the preview. Let's get rid of this. Shrink this down a little bit so we can see it. You click on this here. It starts to show you the preview. You want to go faster, you click that. Let's go faster. Now doing the pocket again. I mean the slot. So it does the whole. You can change the way this does it, and if you go to the view, you can change the sequence. So what we have now is we just created the pot. There it is. The depth, you can see the depth of the slot, I mean the hex, and the hole, and the hole tabs. Okay, back, let's get out of this. Oh, well, this is how you would create the, oh, I lost it. Well, let's see if I can get it back. No, I can't get it back, okay. I was going to show you how to do the DXF, but if you go to my program options, I have free programs here, and if you go to Estlcam, there's the UL, and I suggest that you look at these. My machine controller is UCC, so I would enter it here. So anyways, in my other videos, it shows you how to do all that. So let's go back and take a look at the pot that we did. Here it is. This is the pot that we created a DXF for and imported it into CAM. Thanks for watching this video.